Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I am going to cover the next topic, that is generator function in JavaScript. So let's get started. So what I'm going to cover here, I'm going to cover one of the type of functions in JavaScript, that is generator function in JavaScript. What is this generator function in JavaScript and what is its use? Using the generator function, we can produce a sequence of values. Okay? By using the generator function, the purpose of the generator function is to produce a sequence of values, guys. Okay? If you want to produce a sequence of values with the help of a function, then you have to go and use generator function. But in order to use generator function, you need to understand few things. You need to use this asterisk symbol. Okay, in for using this generator function, you have to use a asterisk symbol, and this asterisk symbol should be followed by the function keyword. So function asterisk you need to use. Second thing that you need to use is yield keyword. Okay, yield keyword you have to use along with the generator function, and the next one we have to use is next method we have to use. These are the three items that we have to use with the generator function in JavaScript in order to produce a sequence of values. Now let me explain this in a practical way. For that, I'll launch Visual Studio Code and here write down generator.js, and here let me create a generator function. How to create a generator function? If you want to create a traditional function, you'll give function name like this. But here I want to create a generator function. How the generator function is different from the traditional function creation? Okay, you just need to put asterisk symbol here, guys. Okay, then it will become a generator function. Without asterisk symbol, this is a traditional function, but if you put asterisk symbol, it will become a generator function. That's one thing. And inside this generator function, you need to write yield keyword followed by any value. It can be any value. That's okay. Whatever the values this particular function need to produce as a sequence of values, right, that you can provide with the help of yield keyword. So many values if you want to provide, you can write like this: yield 4, yield 5, yield 9, yield 10, and so on. Okay, you can provide any values. Okay, use with the help of the yield keyword inside this function. The next thing that I want to do here is the next thing that I want to do here is the next thing that I want to do here is how to use the generator function to generate a sequence of values from it. For that, guys, for that, we need to call this function. Whatever the generator function is there, we need to call that. How to call? Fun A is the name of the function, right? And this will return you, okay? This will return you something like const, let's say fun, okay? Const fun, like this. Now, I call this function and all these values will come here and will be there here. Now, using the fun, what I'll do here is I'll write console.log fun dot next, I'll say. Let's see what will happen with the fun dot next first of all. Okay, there's a next one. Okay, next means the first value will be retrieved. Okay, so let's see whether the value is getting retrieved or not. Let's see first. Okay, I'll go to the terminal and run this generator.js, and if I run this, you see value 1 done false is coming. Okay, but I only want this value. If you only want to get this value, this is a value you want to get, right? If you want to get the value at the end of the next, you write value. Okay, then only this particular value will be retrieved. If you run this, you see one got retrieved. Okay, value 1 got retrieved. Otherwise, this kind of item will come. Now the next item, if I want console.log fun dot, this fun is nothing but the constant here. Okay, which is a return of this function a while calling fun dot. Then I have to write next. I have to write next. Then again value. Next item, next value in this generator function 2 will be retrieved. You see, 2 got retrieved. Similarly, console.log fun dot next. If I want to get the value of that item, value. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So I'll write this 6 times. 6 times if I call this next method, one by one sequence of values from this generator function, it will retrieve like this. Okay. Now run this. Let me run this, guys. Clear, and let's run this and see all the values 1, 2, 4, 5, 9, 10 got retrieved. So this is how, guys, we need to use a generator function. This is how we need to use a generator function in JavaScript. Okay. Instead of writing so many statements like this, let me comment them. Let me comment them. What I can do is I can use a for loop also. For let f, okay, for let f uh, in, for let f in fun. This is a fun, right? For let f in fun. Let's see what will happen here. I'll write console.log f dot f. Just simply say f. Let's see what is happening. Then clear. Nothing is coming, right? Nothing is getting printed. Okay. So there are some nodes with me. Let me use the nodes to understand how to use it. You can also use for loop. You can also use for loop, guys. There are multiple ways of using. You can also use for loop. Yeah, off operator I need to use. I was using in operator. For let f off. Okay. For let f of fun and run this now. You see all the values will be coming. Okay. All these values. Okay. This is the simplest way, or you can also use the next method like this, or you can use for off loop also with this generator function to generate the values like this. Okay. So what else then? You can actually create a generator function which can generate infinite number of values also, guys. We can generate a infinite amount of values also. How to generate infinite amount of values? Here is one example is there. This kind of function you can create, guys. Okay. Infinite values it can generate. Yield keyword you have to use here. Okay. Every time you can use yield keyword here and it will return. First it will start with I is equal to 0 while true, yield plus plus. Okay. Whenever you call this, this will happen. So let me go here and, generator hyphen 2.js I'll write, and here I'll create a generator function, generator hashtag, okay, fun in inf, fun infinite, okay, just give some name, that's okay. Fun infinite. Inside this, write the logic. Let I is equal to 0, initial value of the I is 0. Then while always, I am making the while always true. So this while loop will be iterated infinite times, right? So here I'll write while I is equal to, then yield I, okay, yeah, then I plus plus, I can say I plus plus and then say, or I can say yield I plus plus otherwise, okay, yield I plus plus, that's it. Okay, this will iterate infinite times, and whenever you call it will yield this particular value, okay, incremented plus plus I'll say otherwise, okay, let's see what will happen. So this is one of the thing I have written infinite, and here I'll write console.log. Okay. First of all, I need to call the function, right? Fi is equal to fi, function infinite is equal to function fun infinite. I'll call like this, and I'll just write const here or let here, whatever it may be. And here console.log fi dot next dot value. If I say what is the value that is coming, the first value one should come, I think. Let's try this out, see whether it is working fine or not. Generator hyphen 2.js. You see one came. If I call it second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, seventh time, eighth time, ninth time, 10th time, 11. Okay, infinite times, guys. You can call this next method any number of times. How many number of times you call, that many numbers will come. You see, that many numbers will come. If you call this, you see, it will keep on generating the values that you need. Okay. Here, 24 times I'm thinking. Just copy pasting this. Not getting control C. And here I'll write down control V and C, clear, run this. You see, 88 times it called. Okay. So there is no limit. Okay. This kind of function, if you create infinite number of values, you can generate produce as a sequence of values while calling this function and calling this next method with value and all. So all this kind of stuff is possible with the help of this generator function in JavaScript, guys. So hope, guys, you understood what exactly is a generator function and how to use it for your purpose and all. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.